In this video, we are going to see how to fix ETL engine scheduler is an unknown status issue in capacity optimization. Problem symptoms include a single ETL engine scheduler is in unknown status, but others are working properly, or it may have been noticed that ETL jobs cannot be scheduled or unscheduled that are running on that ETL machine. Generally, the TSCO DataHub remote scheduler supervisor is what tracks the status of the ETL engine server scheduler, and by restarting the TSCO scheduler on the ETL engine and the TSCO DataHub may fix the scheduler's issue. For that, we will log into the TSCO ETL engine server as incipit user, and we'll go to the home directory of the TSCO. Here, we will restart the TSCO scheduler with the clean startup flag, which will be incipit clean scheduler. As you can see, scheduler has restarted, and also we'll restart the TSCO DataHub. I am in a DataHub server, again logged in as a incipit user, and we'll go to TSCO home directory. From here, we'll restart the DataHub. Command will be incipit restart DataHub. Meanwhile, we'll log into the ETL engine server again and check the scheduler services with the command ps-ef grep scheduler to see if scheduler is running, and we will also do tail-f scheduler log incipit.log to show the scheduler is running and not erroring out. We will also capture the log grabber output from the ETL engine server via the command line. To do that, we'll go to tools, and from here we'll run the log grabber.sh. This will run and collect the log grabber for this server. Capture the log grabber output for primary scheduler application server via the TSCO GUI. Here, you go to the administrative system maintenance activities, and run the log grabber. Send the log grabber of the application server ETL engine to the TSCO technical support for further investigation. Thank you for watching and have a great day.